Personalizing an email with a recipient's name in Mailchimp helps increase engagement and make your emails feel more relevant. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Go to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create or edit a campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns tab and either create a new campaign or select an existing one to edit. Design your email. In the Campaign Builder, go to the Design Emails tab to start designing your email. Insert a merge tag for the name. Place your cursor where you want the recipient's name to appear. Typically, this is in the email greeting. Click on the Merge Tags dropdown in the email editor. This dropdown is usually found in the toolbar. Select the name merge tag. From the list of merge tags, choose the appropriate one for the recipient's first name. This is often labeled as F-name for the first name. Preview and test. Use the preview and test features to ensure the merge tag works correctly and displays the recipient's name as intended. Send or schedule your email. Once satisfied, complete your email campaign setup and either send it immediately or schedule it for later.